Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Aki gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì, aki wa pé a kó bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Aki ẹ̀yin ìyá, aki bàbá, aki ẹ̀gbọ́n, aki àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín. Dr. Zabby Talk Show ayé ọpẹ́ yọ̀ṣe ọlọ́dọ̀ títí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ àmọ̀yé fún wa. Lórí wa, lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ní ayé ọpẹ́ máa fi máa yọ. Èwo la mú wá fún wa ní ọjọ́ títí òní wípé kí a sáré ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe máa ń ṣe. Aki gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń bá wa pín ètò wa, tẹ́ máa ń bá wa like, tẹ́ máa ń bá wa share. Èwo la fẹ́ gbé yẹ̀wò lọ́jọ́ títí òní? Báwo lomi òkú ṣe jẹ́? Reality gangan lélẹ́yìí. Ó ṣojú mi kò rò. Ẹni tó mọ báwo lomi òkú, báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe, ṣóun ló ń tà, báwo ló ṣe jẹ́, báwo ló ṣe ṣó ṣiṣẹ́ débẹ̀ ni, tàbí báwo lòun gan ṣe ń fa omi lára òkú. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la máa rí lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Ó ṣojú mi kò rò gangan lélẹ́yìí. Ẹni tó wà ńbẹ̀, ẹni tó ń pín tó ń tà, báwo ṣó ń tà ni tàbí ó ń fún wọn lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Báwo gan lòun ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní di ẹni tó ń rí omi òkú pé lóríṣiríṣi. Kọ́lọ́run kó ṣe dáadáa fún wa. Kọ́lọ́run má jẹ́ àkúkú ìyà, Kọ́lọ́run má jẹ́ àkúkú ẹ̀sín ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Bọ̀ kó tó di pé a máa lọ sójú agbami ètò, ẹ jẹ́ a kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ ìpolówó tí a sanwó fún yìí so that a lè fi ṣọwọ́ sí ọ̀rẹ́ wa àti ọ̀tá wa gan pàápàá. Kọ́lọ́run má jẹ́ kí àìsàn burúkú kó dé èmi àti yín mọ́lẹ̀. Èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú Nàìjíríà yẹn, àfi kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú fún wa. Àwa náà dẹ̀ láti ṣàánú ara wa torí pé kí ni Ọlọ́run ti fọwọ́ lẹ́rọ̀. Ó lè àmọ́ 2+2 àmọ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ wá ìtawà lè mọ̀, bọ̀ tí ò bá ń jẹ́ àwọn olórí ajẹrun, ajẹpa, ajẹṣe gbogbo èyí. Bọ̀ ìgbà táwọn tó wà nílùú náà tó bá tún ló tẹ́ wọn lọ́rùn nǹkan. Torí gbà tí epo lítà kan sìn tó bá wọ 2005, I'm pretty sure pé tí àwọn Yánmírín àti àwọn ọmọ Haúsá tó bá ń jà, Yorùbá ò tẹ ẹ má jà o, ẹ má jẹ́ kán pa ẹ́ o, má jẹ́ ṣe ẹ́ léṣe o. Epo 1 litre wọ 1000. Ẹlòmíì gan àìmọye ẹni tí ò lo mọ́tò wọn. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè yẹn Yorùbá ò sí ńbẹ̀. Kọ́lọ́run kó ṣe dáadáa fún wa. Ẹ jẹ́ a gbọ́ ìpolówó eléyìí náà kó tó di wípé a tẹ̀síwájú.
Lascopa ti láago ìkìlọ̀ pé ìjọba Èkó ṣèkìlọ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ràn ìpékeré jíjẹ ẹ fura o. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ìfura lòògùn àgbà. Àjọ tó ń rí sí ètò ìdáàbòbò aráàlú lórí nǹkan tẹ́nu ń jẹ nípìnlẹ̀ Èkó, ìyẹn Lagos State Consumer Protection Agency Lascopa ti láago ìkìlọ̀ pé káwọn èèyàn ṣọ́ra gidigidi lórí ìpékeré tí wọ́n ń rà jẹ torí àdàlù nǹkan tó léwu fún ìlera làwọn kan tí wọ́n ń dín ìpékeré tà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi kún oúnjẹ náà báyìí. Nínú àtẹ̀jáde kan tí àjọ náà fi léde lọ́jọ́rùú wẹ́sídẹ̀ẹ́ ọjọ́ 17 oṣù kìíní ọdún 2024 yìí ni wọ́n ti pe àkíyèsí àwọn aráàlú sí àṣà pálapàla kan tí àwọn tó ń dín ìpékeré tà tún ra wọlé báyìí. Àjọ náà tọ́ka sí gbàjarè kan tó ń jà ròyìn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára níbi tí ọkùnrin kan ti sọ ohun tójú rẹ̀ rí lásìkò tó lọ sọ́dọ̀ obìnrin onípékeré kan. Lórí ìkànnì rẹ̀, ọkùnrin náà ṣàròyé pé lónìí mo rí obìnrin kan tó ń dín ìpékeré tà, àmọ́ kó tó da ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ sínú òróró gbígbóná tó fẹ́ fi dín, níṣe ló kó láìlọ́nù búrẹ́dì fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ bíi 5, ìyẹn láìlọ́nù tá à ń pè ní olóǹkà rọ́bà yẹn, sínú òróró gbígbóná náà. Lójú ẹsẹ̀ ni láìlọ́nù ọ̀hún sì yọ́ láwú. Lẹ́yìn èyí ló da ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ sí i tó sì ń dín. Mo bi léèrè pé kí ló dé tó fi ṣe ohun tó ṣe yìí. Ó nítorí kí ìpékeré náà lè le kárakára ni kó má bàa tètè rọ̀. Mo ní Ọlọ́run mi ò. Lẹ́yìn èyí ló sọ fún mi pé àwọn ìpékeré tá a máa ń rà nírònà wọ̀nyẹn, ṣé èmi náà ò rí bó ṣe máa ń le koko lẹ́nu tí kì í tètè rọ̀ ni, gẹ́gẹ́ bọ́kùnrin náà ṣe sọ. Àjọ Lascopa ní àkóbá burúkú ni irú àṣà táwọn tó ń yọ́ láìlọ́nù sínú òróró láti dín ìpékeré yìí ń fà fún ìlera àwọn tó bá jẹ ìpékeré bẹ́ẹ̀. Látàrí èyí, àjọ náà ní káwọn èèyàn rí àrídájú oúnjẹ ìpápánu náà kí wọ́n tó rà á tàbí jẹ ẹ́ torí ewu tó rọ̀ mọ́ jíjẹ irú nǹkan bí èyí. Bákan náà ni wọ́n láwọn òṣìṣẹ́ àjọ ọ̀hún ti ń fimú fínlẹ̀ láti ṣọ́ àwọn tó ṣeé ṣe kí wọ́n máa dán irú ìwà burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀ wò. Àwọn yóò sì fi mú wọn kàtà òfin tọwọ́.
Bó la fẹ́ dúró dè ta la fẹ́ dúró dè, ta la fẹ́ sá fún. Yọ nylon sínú nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ fi dí nǹkan tá. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú ká tó débi olómi òkúdé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú lọ sí àwọn tí wọ́n gba Ọlọ́run gbọ́ ju gbogbo any other person lọ. Now,
Ìlànà Kìrìsìtẹ́nì sí Ọlọ́run máa ṣòfin tẹ́lẹ̀ rí Dino Melaye ló ti sọ wípé aláìsàn ni àwọn ènìyàn ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ látara bí àwọn
Dino Melaye sọ ok ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́délẹ̀.
lágbègbè Ìkọ̀tà housing estate Àjà nílùú Èkó ṣe péjọ láti ṣàdúrà lórí ẹ̀rọ amúnáwá wọn eléyìí tí ó ti dẹnu kọlẹ̀ ìyẹn transformer tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Dino sọ fún àwọn ènìyàn wípé kí wọ́n wo fọ́nrán bí àwọn ènìyàn ṣe ní ìṣòro sí. Nínú fọ́nrán ọ̀hún àwọn ènìyàn yìí ni wọ́n péjọ tí wọ́n sì ń gbàdúrà nílànà Kìrìsìtẹ́nì sí Ọlọ́run kí ó gbàkóso lórí ẹ̀rọ transformer wọn tí ó bàjẹ́.
Ló bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní orúkọ tó ju gbogbo orúkọ lọ́mọ pé akọ́wípá fún wa ní orúkọ yìí tó ju gbogbo orúkọ lọ ní orúkọ Jésù tó pẹ̀ ní iṣẹ́ òkùnkùn Sátánì àtàwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ oṣù àti àjẹ́ agbára tí ń jà mú transformer yìí ó yẹ ẹ̀wọ̀n lọ́wọ́.
Ẹ̀wẹ̀ àwọn
Àjàlá ta ló na nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ tàbí ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tán ní Dino sọ ni Dino ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o kó tó di wípé a máa tuntun gbọ́. Àrùn wà ní ara àwọn ará Áfíríkà dé òun kọ́ ní ìgbà tí òun wà tó jẹ́ gọ́vnà nǹkan tó lè rí tọ́ka sí mélòó ló ṣe. Nǹkan kò tiẹ̀ jẹ́ nǹkan ẹyọ kan wípé ókè o ní àdúgbò kan o Dino ló bá wọn ṣe iná yẹn tí ò ṣẹ́jú mọ́ kó tiẹ̀ wà nínú orúkọ ẹ̀. Wọ́n wá lọ fi orúkọ Jésù wọ́n wá lọ fi ń gbàdúrà sí transformer sí i wá sọ wípé wọ́n sick o mọ̀ ẹ́ pé sick papọ̀ ni because nǹkan tẹ́ fi kọ́ wọn nìyẹn nǹkan tẹ́ fi lé wọn lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn o ò lè escape kúrò nínú ẹ̀. Ìwọ náà lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ Dino lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ nínú gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹjọ́ lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ ni mi bá yín lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀. Now ẹ gbọ́ Dino ló kọ́ owó.
tẹ́lẹ̀ rí Dino Melaye ló ti sọ wípé aláìsàn ni àwọn ènìyàn ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ látara bí àwọn ènìyàn kan.
Aláìsàn ni àwọn èèyàn ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ lẹ́nu Dino. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ yín ẹ bá mi fi comment section sílẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Dino sọ wípé aláìsàn ni àwọn ará ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀. Wàá ní ìwọ Dino lólórí aláìsàn tó jẹ́ ọ̀gá àwọn aláìsàn ní ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ torí kíni torí pé gbà tó wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Ìsìn ló wá lọ ń ṣe business ló lọ ń ṣílé iṣẹ́ lẹ̀ ní Dubai owó bo ló ti rí yóò ló wà nínú àkáǹtì ẹ kó tó di gọ́vnà bọ̀ torí wípé ẹ wà nílùú tó jẹ́ wípé ta ló fẹ́ bí mí ta ló fẹ́ bí yín tẹ bá kó ìtẹ fẹ́ kó èyí tán bá mú yín red handed gan a kàn máa gbọ́ ni. A kàn máa gbọ́ ni lẹ́yìn gbogbo ẹ̀ kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ nothing. Now nothing.
Lágbègbè Ìkọ̀tà housing estate Àjà nílùú Èkó ṣe péjọ láti ṣàdúrà lórí ẹ̀rọ amúnáwá wọn eléyìí tí ó ti dẹnu kọlẹ̀ ìyẹn transformer tí ò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Dino sọ fún àwọn ènìyàn wípé kí wọ́n wo fọ́nrán bí àwọn ènìyàn ṣe ní ìṣòro sí. Nínú fọ́nrán ọ̀hún àwọn ènìyàn yìí ni wọ́n péjọ tí wọ́n sì ń gbàdúrà nílànà Kìrìsìtẹ́nì sí Ọlọ́run kí ó gbàkóso lórí ẹ̀rọ transformer wọn tí ó bàjẹ́.
Ló bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní orúkọ tó ju gbogbo orúkọ lọ́mọ pé akọ́wípá fún wa ní orúkọ yìí tó ju gbogbo orúkọ lọ ní orúkọ Jésù tó pẹ̀ ní iṣẹ́ òkùnkùn Sátánì àtàwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ oṣù àti àjẹ́ agbára tí ń jà mú transformer yìí.
Àwọn òyìnbó kan wọn máa wò táwọn òyìnbó ìṣó tó bá fi lé eléyìí wọn òyìnbó níbi iṣẹ́ wa kàn máa wò pé ojú tí ẹ máa ń tì mí láti lè lórú nǹkan báyìí mọ́ láti ẹ̀ ti fi hàn kan àwọn kan wá wojú ẹ pé are you real? Ìwọ gangan fúnra rẹ tó ń play nǹkan yìí gan ṣé ìwọ gangan ṣé èèyàn ni ẹ káyẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó wá béèrè wípé nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí ṣé reality ni tàbí wọ́n play fíìmù nǹkan tó gbélé wa lọ́wọ́ ni nílùú òyìnbó níbo mélòó náà ti ń ṣe bible study Quranic study gbogbo nǹkan táwọn ń ṣe ní Áfíríkà yìí ibo mélòó náà ti ń ṣe ní bíbá kò tó 1% kò tó 1% ni mo sọ that means ó ti cancel tán nìyẹn. gbọ̀n nǹkan tó jẹ́ priority ní Nàìjíríà nìyẹn. Ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé Iyalenu tó ń fi 500,000 tó fi ń lọ fún school of to become a pastor. Wọ́n tún lọ fún training náà ni. Ó lè ṣojú ìjọba. Tó bá ti lọ register kò lóye irú ní àdúgbò kọ̀ọ̀kan nílùú òyìnbó, ó máa wò ó pé òkè church mélòó ló yẹ kó wà ńbẹ̀, church mélòó ló ti wà ńbẹ̀, church mélòó gan ló ti wà láàárín ìlú gangan nínú Ògùn state nìkan, ká má sọ Ọ̀yọ́ state, ká má sọ Ondo state, Ọ̀ṣun whatever, ká má sọ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, kó pa gbogbo church tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi type ẹ̀ sí comment section. I'm pretty sure wípé ó ju ilé iṣẹ́ lọ because àwọn ilé iṣẹ́ gan close down sẹ́yìn. Comment section ẹ bá mi fi sí comment section. Báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tí ojú wo lẹ fi wo nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí? A ṣì ń gbébi tán tí omi òkú a ṣì ń gbé bọ̀ o. Kó tó di pé a lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré lọ ṣe cup of tea. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àti ìmọ̀ cup of tea látẹ̀kọ̀. Ẹ ṣe gan ni, ẹ bá wa tẹ like, ẹ bá wa tẹ share, ẹ bá wa fi comment tì yín sílẹ̀ bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí yín. God bless you.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí ìwọ bá nípa láti ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún òun náà lẹ́nìkejì rẹ̀ tọ́jú rẹ̀.
Zabi Life Saver Foundation àánú lolówó fi rán wa. La fi ń sọpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run àwọ̀ ẹ̀dá tó ń jẹ́ aníparere láyé àwọn èèyàn. Tàsí ti ń sọpẹ́ pàtàkì gbogbo olólùfẹ́ wa jákèjádò àgbáyé. Àwọn tó ń bá wa gbowó ṣètò ìrànwọ́ yìí lọ́nà kan àbí kejì. Lóòótọ́ ẹ̀yin gan lè jìká tí ò jẹ́ kó rí ó jábọ́. Lórí ìkànnì Zabi Life Saver Foundation àkàìmọye ènìyàn lọ́lọ́run ti fọwọ́ tọ́ nípa pé ká mú lára bíntín tọ́lọ́run fún wa. Tá a fi ń ṣàánú àwọn èèyàn tó kù díẹ̀ fún láwùjọ wa láì fi tẹ̀sìn, ẹ̀yà, èdè àti àwọ̀ṣe rárá. Sẹ́ẹ̀rí bọ́lọ́run ṣe ń lò wá lórí ìkànnì Zabi Life Saver Foundation. Táwọn fúnni níṣẹ́, gbalé fúnni lóúnjẹ. Tá a ti ń sanwó iléèwé àwọn ọmọ tí ò lóbìí àti àwọn ọmọ tó kù díẹ̀ fóbi wọn láwùjọ. Lọ́pọ̀ ìmọ̀ye ìgbà láti yọjú tá a ti gbóúnjẹ lọ fáwọn tó wà nínú ìhámọ́. Táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní correctional center. Lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà tá a bá lọ sílé ìwòsàn fún àbẹ̀wò àti pé ká gba àwọn ènìyàn tí ò rówó san lẹ́yìn ètò ìwòsàn wọn. Àánú á ṣe wá púpọ̀ nítorí ohun mèremère ohun tá a máa ń bá pàdé lọ́hùn. Àti ọ̀gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn tó ti parí ètò ìwòsàn tí ò rówó san. Léyìí tágbára wa nìkan ò lè ká. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí èrò wa ní Zabi Life Saver Foundation àti bí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ṣe ń sọ wípé kọ́wọ́ jẹ̀tò ti lọ síwájú sí i. Ló já mọ̀ lógun fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin eléyìí ojú àánú jákèjádò àgbáyé. Wọ́n ràn wá àti jẹ́ kí ètò ìtúbọ̀ tẹ̀ síwájú sí i. Ẹ jájọ pawọ́pọ̀ lé ìṣẹ́ òun ìyà nínú bíntín tọ́lọ́run fún wa. Ẹ lè fi ohunkóhun tẹ́ ẹ bá ní sọwọ́ sí ọ́fíìsì wa nílé. Number 6 Bremer Street, Sabo, Ṣàgámù, Ògùn State. Tó bá sowó ni ẹ fi sínú àsùnwọ̀n Zabi Life Saver Foundation account. Níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ bá wà lágbàáyé. Account number 579-868-6013 FCMB. Fún ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé síwájú sí i, lè pe èyíkéyìí àwọn aṣojú wa nílé +234-812-575-4492 tàbí kẹ́ pé +234-708-434-5696. Bákan náà ni ẹ lè fàtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ tàbí kẹ́ pé Dr. Zabi gan lórí WhatsApp number wọn +447-440-715-542 ní Zabi Life Saver Foundation. Àánú ló jẹ wá lógún.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí akíwá pé a kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣeré. Now ẹ jẹ́ ká wá lọ sí báwo lomi òkú ṣe jẹ́ gangan, kí ló fa omi òkú. Bọ̀ eléyìí látẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ ló ti jáde. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a lọ síbẹ̀ àwọn bá máa ṣe.
After that, the body can do 5 years in the mortuary without smelling. If you don't do that, years in the court before they bury the person. No, so now we are going to do some pathology deep operation. We are going to open the stomach, open the head, come out everything who is inside, and sew the stomach back, sew everything back. So
are you the one who do that?
No, I have my boss.
Oh, he does.
We are working together. So after that, the body can do 5 years in the mortuary without smelling. If you don't do that, when you bring somebody in the mortuary with the heat inside the stomach, it will bring the maggot because air is not passing. So when we do the operation, everything, we clean everything, the air will pass inside the stomach, will be like some empty ball. So by then the body can do 5 years in the mortuary, 15 years, 20 years without smelling. Because if you bury the person without the government have judged the case, you will be like you are the one that killed the person. So the government have to judge the case first to see what happened before you bury the person. That is why you have different way to take care of the body in the mortuary, different way. Some people they are telling them are blood. Some people, they will bring them, they will change the blood, they will put some machine here, the machine will draw the old blood, because when you die, your blood change, you come black. So when they will comot the black blood, they will take another new blood back and replace again another fresh blood in the body. That is how they used to take care of some few people who have a lot of money in the mortuary. And the lowest people who they used to take care of them is with the formal.
But if they take out your blood, you are dead already. So if they take the blood is not circulating in the body.
Yeah.
So why are they taking?
You know, all is to maintain the body in the mortuary,
so that it will not go
so
bad.
that it will not go bad. You will not smelling. You will not be.
But the person is dead.
Yes, that is the way the person choose, so that they will take care of the family member, and they have the lot of money, so they will buy the back of blood, they will buy everything. So why are you not going to do that for him? Because it's word of your job. That is why we are doing that.
And the more you do that, the more your pay go up, because them to money day.
You know, when the last time they bring somebody to the mortuary, the person was in the coma, but people was not know that the person is in the coma. When they bring the person, the body, I bring the body inside the room. I wanted to put some injection in the body, but I discovered that the vein of the person was still shaking. You know,
you say it's not dead.
Yeah, it's not dead. You know, somebody can do 3 months in the coma, 1 year in the coma, 6 months in the coma. If you don't really know, you think that the person is dead. That is why sometimes the mortuary, some people would wake up in the mortuary, they will say, hey, somebody wake up. They will think that the person is dead before. No, somebody can be in the coma.
So they do bring some people that in the name of their dead, and then you see that they wake up.
Yeah, they wake up. So this man,
when they wake up, what do you do?
Oh, I don't. I used to see a few of them, but I know that if somebody woke up in the mortuary, the person was in the coma, because there's no way that we die and we come back again alive just like that.
It's not possible. But some people claim they die, they went to see Jesus.
Oh, like that one, it depends on them. It can be the grace of God that God give them the grace to see some extra things. That is another issue. And but it's not everybody that die and come back alive like that. And for the man, when I bring the man in the mortuary, I wanted to put the injection. I said the vein was shaking. I called the family, the mother and the father. I said that, oh, mama, your son, the vein is shaking. You have to see what you will do. You have to bring the body back in the house. If you do 1, 2, 3 days, we will not come back alive. You have to bring the body here. You can imagine that when the mother take the body and went with the body in the house, the first day, second day, the third day, even if the person come back alive. Imagine that if to say I did not have a strong spirit to watch to see how the body is going, to see how the vein is shaking, I for just inject the hormone in the body just like that. It could be like I'm the one that killed the person, because the person was not really dead. That is when the mortuary have to be spiritual, you have to be worshipful, because there are many different things who is happening there.
When you say spiritual, what do you mean?
When I say spiritual, I'm trying to say that in the mortuary there is a good way, there is a bad way. If you want to live a spiritual life, you have to follow the good way, so that you will not have any trouble at long. But if you follow the bad way, it means that you lose your spiritual side and you follow the way that will bring you in the
juju.
When I mean, it's not only juju is the bad way. You know, in the mortuary, we used to call Friday dead body market. People used to come in the mortuary on Friday, collect the bodies in the night. Those who are going to bury them in the village, they used to come and collect it. And now some people used to come and collect dead body waters to go and do some few rituals.
Check nǹkan tó sọ mbẹ yẹn, dead body water to go and do rituals. Dead body water. Ẹ jẹ́ àtúngbọ́.
A strong spirit to watch to see how the body is going, to see how the vein is shaking. I for just inject the hormone in the body just like that. It could be like I'm the one that killed the person, because the person was not really dead. That is when the mortuary have to be spiritual, you have to be worshipful, because there are many different things who is happening there.
When you say spiritual, what do you mean?
When I say spiritual, I'm trying to say that in the mortuary there is a good way, there is a bad way. If you want to live a spiritual life, you have to follow the good way, so that you will not have any trouble at long. But if you follow the bad way, it means that you lose your spiritual side and you follow the way that will bring you in the
juju.
When I mean, it's not only juju is the bad way. You know, in the mortuary, we used to call Friday dead body market. People used to come in the mortuary on Friday, collect the bodies in the night. Those who are going to bury them in the village, they used to come and collect it. And now some people used to come and collect dead body waters to go and do some few rituals. People say
People do that.
yeah, people do that. Last time they hold some women in Nigeria. Last time she used to use some dead body water and do some few things. You know, I'm
Mú obìnrin kan ní Nàìjíríà tó fi omi òkú ṣe oúnjẹ. Tó fi omi òkú ṣe oúnjẹ. Oh my God. Ta la fẹ́ dá fún, ta la fẹ́ dúró dè. Ẹni tó ń ṣe oúnjẹ ṣé òun tún jẹ́ pásítọ̀. Mo ṣe program kan kó tó di pé mo ṣe eléyìí. Ìyẹn náà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn pastors àti ọlọ́pàá, pastors, ọlọ́pàá àti imam. Okay, gbogbo àwọn tá wá kà sílẹ̀, ta ló wá kù láàrin ìlú, ta la fẹ́ lọ sábà. Ìgbà tó lóúnjẹ náà bá tó wà ńbẹ̀. Gbogbo ilẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí kọ́, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi kọ́ o, àwọn gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, àwọn ọlọ́pàá kankan bẹ́ẹ̀. Gbogbo wọn lọ lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ, bí Nàìjíríà ṣe dà yìí, gbogbo wọn lọ lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ. Àfi tílu yẹn bá pín èpè kan, èpè, wọ́n ṣépè gan, àdúrà gan ò lè ràn, àdúrà ò lù. Just common sense, ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Saudi Arabia, ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Israel, ẹ wo nǹkan ní ìlú ibi tán ti ń láwọn sin Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wá wo ibi tán ti ń sin Ọlọ́run tòtítọ́, ẹ wá wo ibi tán láwọn ti ń sin Ọlọ́run irọ́, Ọlọ́run èké, ìjọba èké, ìgbésí ayé èké. Ẹ wo bí ìgbésí ayé yẹn bó ṣe rí. Ṣe rí wípé kò sẹ́ni tó tan ìyá ìbejì tó ń tan àwọn èèyàn tán ní ibodè kejì wà tó lò, tàbí tó ń tan ra ẹ̀ tó lọ abroad ni òun lọ́rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ wá wo bí àjálù ṣe ń ṣe, má jálù bí owó ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe. Omi òkú. Òun ló ń sọ yín nàbí kan, òun ló ń ta fún wọn, òun dẹ̀ ló mọ àwọn tán wá ń rà. Ó lè má mọ iṣẹ́ tán fi ń ṣe. Bọ̀ iṣẹ́ tóun ń ṣe nìyẹn. Ẹ gbọ́, àti 9 years old lóun ti wà ńbẹ̀, lòun ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn òkú. Mo forward ẹ̀ síwájú díẹ̀ níná because ó máa gùn jù, but still yet náà. Ẹ túbọ̀ farabalẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò. God bless you. Now.
in the mortuary long time. I used to see some few things. Even some people used to come and sleep with the dead body in the mortuary.
People come and sleep with
Yeah,
dead body in
they
the
come and
mortuary.
sleep with dead body in the mortuary.
Meant that when you die, all the holes in the body it close. Or
No. Who
it's
said
not
that?
possible.
Who said that?
It doesn't close.
No, it doesn't close. Excuse me, you see, those people who die with a sickness like HIV sickness, before the person die, you see that here like this, the sickness have sucked all the blood in the person's body.
So grow lean.
Yeah, it will grow lean. Now we in the mortuary used to take some cottons. You know the cottons we used to put in the open the mouth and put the cotton, push it inside the body so that he will swallow small, will be like the person. You know the person died already, but the hole cannot close because inside the nose they used to put sometimes the cotton in the nose. You see, you know, sometimes last time I watched a woman, who was a businesswoman, they just killed the woman with some few gunshot. So when I bathed the woman, I discovered that I discovered that the woman was sweating inside the room. You know, we see somebody, the body was sweating inside the AC, the room.
Why is it sweating?
It's not normal. You know, it shows that there's a mystical something is going on because you can never see somebody sweat inside a room.
Does it mean so that the body is not dead?
No, the body is dead, but the spirit is hungry.
When it happens like that, it means what?
When it happens, it means that the spirit is hungry.
Why?
Maybe they kill the woman to collect her property. They just kill her just like that. But physically, she's dead. But spiritually, you are watching her, you'll be seeing her in your dream by the different way. She'll be coming to be talking to you the way we are talking physically, spiritually. But physically, she's lying down, she's dead. There are some days we want to go and bury some dead body in the village. When the car spoil in the road, we used to come down and talk to the dead body and beg the body. I'm begging you, I'm not the one that kill you, I'm washing you, I'm the mortuary man. People who kill you, go and do them what you want. That is the way that we used to do the car will start back, because some people will say that if you are died, don't bring me in the mortuary. Why? Because in the mortuary there is a pastor, there is native doctor, there are different type of human being, and once you reach there, your spirit will change to another spirit again. So some native doctor will say that if you are died, don't bring me in the mortuary, because you know that there is a pastor, there are people who are stronger more than himself. So if the family do not obey and bring the body in the mortuary, once the person, you see that the person will disturb the family one way or another, because the family do not respect what he say. You know, that is why the mortuary is a very spiritual place. Even to enter in the mortuary in the morning time, you are the first person to open the door, you have to knock 3 times first.
Why?
Yes, that is the rules and regulation. You have to knock 3 times.
You every day you knock 3 times.
Yeah, if I'm the first person you're going to open the mortuary, I have to knock 3 times before opening.
Why?
Why? Because I told you that the mortuary is a spiritual place. It's like a ritual place. When you reach a ritual place, they have the rules and regulation. You see, it's not only all the body who are dead. Physically they are dead, but spiritually their spirit is turning around. You see, that is why you have to knock. Sometimes you'll be outside, you know, you hear noise from inside the mortuary as nobody inside. That is why you have to knock like 3 times. They know that somebody, some human being is coming, because them are spirit. You can hear the noise, you can feel some different thing with your muscle pool. You see that the muscle pool is coming in your body, you see that your hair is standing. It's true that you will feel that some different things are coming, because in the mortuary by 12 o'clock in the afternoon we used to close, we used to stop to do things, because it's the time that spirit are passing.
In the afternoon?
Yeah, in the afternoon by 12 o'clock.
In the night? In the
even
12 a.m. rather than
even the afternoon by 12 o'clock in the afternoon, when sun used to shine and breeze used to blow.
ẹ wo bóúnjẹ ṣe pọ̀ níbi ìsìnkú ẹni tẹ́ ebi pa kú. Ẹ wo báwọn ènìyàn ṣe pọ̀ níbi ìsìnkú ẹni tí àdágbé àti àdásọ̀ ń pa. Ṣé tíríbùtù wọn yóò wá pọ̀ jù fẹ́ni tá ò rí ti ẹ̀rọ nígbà tó ń bẹ láyé? Ẹ̀yẹ́ èèyàn wọ̀nyí ẹ̀ ń sunkún fóòkù ẹ̀dẹ̀ kórìíra ẹni tó ń bẹ láyé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ celebrate mi nígbà tí mo ń bẹ láyé, ẹ support mi nígbà tí mo lè rí, encourage mi nígbà tí mo ń bẹ láyé. Tó bá jẹ́ pé bá a ṣe péjọ sìnkú la ṣe péjọ fìfẹ́ hàn aláyé, ìbá ti dára, ayé ìbá ti dùdù láti gbé.
A kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ń support wa lórí foundation wa sídìí kan tàbí di kejì. Ọwọ́ wa ní kànsàlẹ̀ àpò àrọ́mọdọ́mọ wa kò ní gbégbá bára ní agbára ní ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo ọ̀nà tẹ́ bá fẹ́ gbà láti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, nọ́mbà wa wà lórí ìpolówó tí a máa ń gbé wá fún ti charity wa ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ọwọ́ wa ní kànsàlẹ̀ àpò. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú ká lè gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ, àwọn nǹkan tó ṣe kókó. Reality lélẹ̀, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní dúníyàn.
There are times that bad spirit used to pass. You know, it's not easy to know like that, because before I start doing the mortuary work, the way they teach me, I sleep in the cemetery almost 1 week, 3 days.
Alone?
Yeah, alone.
With dead bodies?
No, with the person who is keeping the place.
Okay.
So we're sleeping together.
Apprentice.
Yeah, that is the way that they will form you. They will teach you the work. They will show you so that you will not be afraid tomorrow. Because what's inside the mortuary is stronger, more is powerful more than all those words that you are seeing. Yeah, because in the mortuary there are many things. Nothing will make you smile in the mortuary, because once you look the other side, you will see some armed robber who steal, police kill them, and no family will come and look them. Once you look the other side, you will see some old men who are dead, the eyes are open, there's no family. That is why if you work in the mortuary, you will be strong. You have to work your spiritual part, because what you will be seeing every day will not be easy for you. Even to eat meat will not be easy to you to eat meat, because once you will see accidented body, people will do accident, you will see inside them are bone, you will see them are blood. It means that if they give you meat, when we start to chew the meat, you will be like you are eating something human part. So that is why I don't eat meat. We have things that we are not doing. No,
why?
That is why what I'm explaining to you, because if you are eating meat, I will remember all those accident people that I used to watch.
You feel you are eating dead body meat?
Yeah, exactly. That is why.
But before you started this job, were you eating meat?
Oh, that I was eating meat. I was chewing meat. But when I entered the job, I started to see the true way of the work. I stopped to eat meat.
So
not only meat.
You chew only fish?
No, fish. If you eat meat, I eat beans. You have the same vitamin.
Yeah, I know.
The same. So beans is a vegetarian meat. That is what we use.
So you are vegetarian?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's not easy because what you will be seeing every day, you will not be able to do like other people are doing.
Okay, recently it happened that an accident happened and they brought about maybe, let's say, 20 or 30 dead bodies. First thing, when they bring that body, what do you do first?
When they bring a dead body, I wear everything already. I have my gloves, everything. I'm ready already. I will start to bring the dead body inside the mortuary, the room first. I will write the name, the family name. I will meet the family people. We have some rubber thing we used to tie in the hand. Here we used to write the family name so that if you do almost 1 month, 2 months, we know how to read the family name and know the person, because when they bring the person to the mortuary, the person change because the person start to be black. You don't know the difference of the person that you bring and the difference of the other person. Then sometimes they used to do some few mistakes in the mortuary. They used to, last time they give some other person dead body to another family and they give another person dead body to another family. The thing brings a lot of trouble because
ọmọ nìkan kọ́ ló ń dàpọ̀ ní mọ́túárì nìyẹn, dàpínsòkú náà tún dàpọ̀ náà nìyẹn, torí wípé ìlànà tí áfíríkà tán ṣì wà títí dè nílé ni. Tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìgbà tán ti ń gbé lọ oníkálukú máa ti ní tàgéètì tiẹ̀. Torí pé that is Africa, kó tó di pé àánú tó dé làbí bóyìnbó ṣe ń ṣe bóyá generation tó tún ń bọ̀. Now,
when they discover that it's not the person that they came to find who is there, you bring a lot of trouble. That is why you have to register the person first, and you have to watch the person. You check in space. Normally, you have to check the person's teeth. You have to count the teeth. You have to count the nails, because some people are used to cut the nails and do rough things. Used to come out the teeth. You have to check the body, whether the part of the body is complete first. After that, you come out all the cloth of the body. You give all the blood to the family. If it's not complete, what happens? If it's not complete, you write everything. Because the family is there, the family is there. The leg is not there. Yeah, the leg is not there. Everything, you write everything there, because in the mortuary people used to come out to do rough things.
They think maybe allow somebody to come and remove it for juju. I will go there.
So that is why you first do that. After that, you take the body, you come out all the cloth of the body. All body who are in the mortuary are naked, man and woman. Children, young man, young boy, all of them, they are naked, because you are there the way that your mother born you. You are there, you don't wear any clothes, no pants. The way you came, that is how you go. Yeah. So in the mortuary there, you have a lot of things that sometimes you used to do work, but in the night you can't sleep, because what you are doing. Some people used to come and attack you. Last I got some Mochiman in the Kolegono side. One part of the body is paralyzed. Yeah, one part of the body is paralyzed, because the guy was saying the motor have good way and bad way. It depends on the way that you follow, and you will know how to do your things. So the man used to do some few things in the mortuary. He used to give some people dead body water to go and do some things. So last time the man called me to come and meet him in the house.
Nínú àwọn workers ni ó máa ń fún àwọn èèyàn, ó máa ń tomi òkú fáwọn èèyàn, ó máa ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi. Òun ló sẹ pé ó paralyze yẹn, understand ẹ. Ó máa ń ta omi òkú, ó máa ń fún wọn ó máa ń ta nǹkan oríṣiríṣi fún àwọn èèyàn láti tà. Àwọn wo nìyẹn?
When I went, I see the man. I see that one side of the body is paralyzed. He can't do anything. He can't walk again. He can't do any job again. That is why I'm trying to advise people that you have to check what you are doing, what you are living your life. You have to follow the right way. Because if I'm here today, I have plenty of my friends who are dead today. Plenty of them, because they follow the wrong way of the mortuary work. In the mortuary, there's money anywhere. Water dead body is money. Teeth dead body is money. Everything is money. But if you are not ready spiritually, the thing will come back against you.
When you say it's money, what do you mean?
When I say it's money, it means that all the hair of human being, the water of dead body, people are using it to do some practical spiritual power. That is how they get my money. Some women are taking the dead body water to practice on it, and they will use and cook food to to people. You see that people will come and be eating the food. The woman will be talking anyhow, be assaulting people. The food will not be good, and the person will wash his plate by himself. The woman will be assaulting everybody, and by then we will still be buying the food. You see, that is how the power of the used to work.
So you mean they use the dead body water to cook?
Yeah, they practice on it.
But so when we drink.
ṣé mo rí pé ó ń tẹnu mọ́ gan ni mo rí pé ẹni wá rí pé bóyá láti fi fa ó kọ́kọ́ sọ ó tún padà sọ that means bóyá nǹkan tó kọ́ mọ̀ nínú nǹkan tó ń fomi òkú ṣe gangan nìyẹn. Eléyìí tá a gbọ́ yìí ṣe is not pé bóyá 90% 120% òun lélẹ́yìí interview direct láti ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ láti 9 years old fact òun lélẹ́yìí ó yàtọ̀ sí pé àwọn kọ́ sínú pépà ni àgbọ̀ no interview lélẹ́yìí. Now,
such water, it doesn't have any effect.
That
doesn't affect our health.
It will not affect your health, but it will draw your spirit from the woman. Once you eat
your spirit.
Yeah, once you eat the woman food, it means that every day that you pass the place, you eat the woman food. That is how the thing used to attract people. You see that you can't pass the place without eating there. You feel like something is disturbing you until you eat the food. The woman she will be assaulting you, talking to you anyhow. By then people will be lining up and see eating the food. The same thing like those girls who are selling them themselves, those prostitutes there, them too used to come and collect the body water, practice on it. They will use and wash them my private part. When they will come out in the night like this, all the boys who meet the girl will like to sleep with the girl. And if you sleep with the girl, you start to see that in your spirit, in your dream, things are starting to go on. There are few things who are happening. You see, that
means the girl has drawn your.
Yeah, that is what.
So all when the girls do that to gain what? To get favor from men or what?
No, it's not to get favor from men, but all those people are doing that. They belong in something. They are not ordinary human beings. Because last time, people who are coming to sleep with dead body in the mortuary, they are not ordinary people. These are ritual they are coming to do. You see, when somebody is coming to do ritual, it means that the person is not an ordinary person. It's not doing the ordinary something again. The person is not really somebody like me and you, because sleep with dead body, you have to be, I don't know how to say it, you have to be very, it's the ritual.
No, so I come. How do they even approach you?
Thank you very much. You see, before you come, you will see the person park his car from the other side of the road, and the person come out his shoe, come out his cap, keep inside the car. He will use empty leg, enter the mortuary. So the last time the person, you don't make me, you tell me that, my friend, how are you? I'm the friend of your boss. You know that I want to see something here, this and this and that. And when the person go inside, he was talking to me. I tell the person that you can't go inside just like that because I'm working here, or you have to tell me what you want. He said, oh, don't worry.
Don't worry, because until lọ rí ọ̀gá ló rán wọn wá nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni mi ò mọ̀ pé ibi tí mo ṣe kíní yẹn ibi tí mo kọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ tí nìyẹn ó máa ní don't worry pé láti ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀gá ni because ọ̀gá ti máa sọ fún tó bá ti débẹ̀ tó bá ti ọmọ abọ́bà tẹ ó máa ṣí fìlà ọ̀ bóyá scarf ni ó máa ti mú sílẹ̀ ó máa ti kó gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ sáìn yẹn lásán wọ́n ti mọ̀ wípé ẹni tó mọ̀ nípa nǹkan yẹn ó kàn lè máa sọ fún wọn ní táwọn bá sọ pé náà ò lè wọlé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn òun ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń bíbà náà ọ̀gá ẹ̀ òun àwọn ti sẹ́tù pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ṣẹ́rí bílẹ̀ ayé ṣe rí àwádìí lágbá ẹ̀sìn jù ẹ wá wo gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà ibi tán ti ń lo gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yẹn fún ará ìlú náà kó tó di wípé a máa lò ẹ wórú pásítọ̀ yìí mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo wa láti rí fídíò yìí chọ́ọ̀chì lélẹ̀ ẹ wo orú àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣe and I'm pretty sure pé ká tó rí a year 2 years àwọn èèyàn máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa pọ̀ sí wọn ní mọ kí ni reason ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé normal èèyàn tó bá gbádùn tí wọn báyìí tí wàá fi rú omi òkú yẹn kó nǹkan fún jẹ wàá wà níta gbangba báyìí bóyá wọn máa lọ ń wẹ̀wẹ̀ fún ẹ pẹ̀lú minerals tàbí nǹkan kan wá máa aláwọn nǹkan míì ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ní abẹ́ Áfíríkà sẹ́ àwọn òyìnbó tó gbé sí wa fún wọn wò bóyá tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tá à ń sọ pé kò happen now tàbáyé ibòmíì láti gbé nǹkan yìí nǹkan tó ń fi hàn òun yìí á tún pẹ̀lú omi ẹ̀ wá wo nǹkan tó fi hàn òun yìí ṣó possible Africa. Àwọn nǹkan tó wọ́n rí jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú òyìnbó bọ̀ ìjọba orí wọn pé wọn ṣe bámúbámú láyé àwa ọmọ bíbí ń pọmọ èèyàn kankan ó tètè gbára mọ́ left and right tó ń láyé wọn ló tún ṣe nítumọ̀ díẹ̀ báyìí. mo ń wòó pé lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àwọn ogúnlọ́gbọ̀n èèyàn tó bá fòdẹ ẹnu báyìí lórí gbogbo ayélujára ìyanu máa ṣẹlẹ̀ torí tó bá fòdẹ ọwọ́ òun ni bó bá ṣe ń sọ yìí náà ó ń débi tó nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ kan nǹkan ojú wa ló máa ṣe ṣe ti bá wa pín ètò yìí ṣe ti bá wa fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì yín sílẹ̀ báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí yín ṣẹ́yìn náà ti come across ẹni tó ń mú ipò fi omi òkú ẹ bá wa fílẹ̀ nínú comment section bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ń kí mi náà lèmi náà kí yín pé a kò bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mi kíbi tí ẹ ti ṣalábàápàdé ètò yìí God bless you. Ọkùnrin ọ̀dẹ lè kúrò níbi tó ju ibi tán bá wà nínú 10 nínú wọn nínú 100 nínú wọn mẹ́ta ló fẹ́ wá ṣe testimony àwọn 97 tó kù yẹn gan forí wọn gbà pààrọ̀ àwọn 7 tó wá ṣe testimony yẹn gan wọ́n ti jọ dì lọ́dọ̀ pásítọ̀ àbẹni tó jẹ́ pé ó ti wà nínú àkọọ́lẹ̀ pé wíìkì yẹn ọgàn òun náà fẹ́ gbà síṣẹ́ àpàdà wá ní omi àti kòkè àtomi òkú tó ń dà lóhùn lórí òun Áfíríkà oh my God o èmi ò mọ ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi táìpẹ sínú comment section ta ló ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ wa báyìí ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ nínú comment section ẹjọ́ mo fẹ́ rí nínú comment section. ọkùnrin mi ò lè rí mi ó dà pé ọkùnrin méjì ibi tí a bá ti rí ọkùnrin méjì ní rúrú nǹkan báyìí a máa rí obìnrin 200 ọkùnrin méjì ló máa wà láàrin ibẹ̀ àfi kọ́ lóhun kó ṣàánú wa àwa náà dẹ̀kọ́ ìjọba pẹ̀lú àti àwọn youth láti dìde wípé no enough is enough bó a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó ti ń dìde ń sìn wípé no gbogbo wa la máa jọ bọ́ nínú ewu yìí sẹ̀ àní fi èèyàn kankan sílẹ̀ lẹ́yìn àní fi èèyàn kankan sílẹ̀ lẹ́yìn gbogbo wa pátápátá ni. No.
Or you just wake up one day. I don't hear so many things. I don't see so many things. But this one surprised me gone. Because this boy, this Shukudi boy, just wake up one day. Telling girlfriend, say, make an escort and go somewhere. Carry the girl, go inside bush. And just kill the girl inside a bush from those states. Why? What thing happen? Say you smoke me, say you no smoke, say na evil spirit.
She did not offend me at all. No. Evil spirit came over me.
Polytechnic student.
Evil spirit look over his
girlfriend. According to the police commissioner, tricked his late girlfriend Nifemi to Ayede Ogbes and subsequently strangled her at night.
I murdered my girlfriend.
There is also a young man who claims to be attending a tertiary institution in the state, and her girlfriend also of that institution. She tricked the girl and they took her into the bush and killed her. He was arrested, the corpse of the girl, the disease recovered, and he will be prosecuted for his offense.
I murdered my girlfriend.
Why?
I have no reason for murdering her.
You have no reason?
Yes.
She did not offend
me at all.
Did you take injunction?
No.
Irú eléyìí sá ọkọ mo lọ sí psychiatric hospital láti lè lọ gba ẹ̀jẹ̀ omi ara àti ẹ̀jẹ̀ wípé kí ló ń ṣe gangan pé evil spirit kan ló bà lóun yẹn kò ń ṣe nǹkan ọ̀tọ̀ nìyẹn Áfíríkà la lè ti fi máa jára wa láyà wípé bóyá kinní because inú igbó ló lọ ṣe sí, kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ náà wípé ẹ̀mí Sátánì ló wọnú òun, bóyá ó ní kó mú nǹkan kan wá nínú ẹ̀ ni. Ó yẹ wá sọ fún mi báwo ló ilé ayé ṣe fẹ́ ráyé, báwo ló fẹ́ rójú, báwo ló fẹ́ ráyè ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ó ń pa àwọn èèyàn nípa ìkà. Òun náà dẹ̀ lẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu ẹni tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ nínú mọ́ṣúárì wípé àwọn spirit máa ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, ló máa ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí táwọn máa rí wọn, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ibi tí mo gé fídíò yẹn dé nìyẹn, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan náà máa ń rí, ìyẹn lè máa fi mọ̀ pé most àwọn táwọn sọ pé àwọn pa nípa kìíní spirit tí wọ́n ń da gbogbo ayé láàmú, ẹ wo accident, ẹ wo nǹkan míì tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀, nǹkan àbámì because alágbára lọ́lọ́run dá wa fúnra ara wa tá jẹ́ dúdú, bọ̀ agbára yẹn kò wá sí bá ṣe lè lò ó ní nǹkan tó dáa, kò pé 1% náà lè lò fún nǹkan tó dáa, èyí tó jù ń bẹ aburú ni àwa fi sásá bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn. The last video tá máa wò tẹ́ máa fi mọ̀ wípé wọ́n fi sá sí abẹ́ ẹ̀sìn ni.
Eventually hacked her to death. Mother of 5 children, know that this building, used as a church to which she was a member, will become her grave. Investigations by the Ogun State Police Command unearthed her corpse and the facts of the case.
The pastor confessed killing the victim and buried her inside his church after removing her head and 2 hands for reasons only known to him and God. He also mentioned one Pastor Daniel Sopeju, male of Iyalenu, as his accomplice.
Her murderer turned out to be her pastor, and according to the police, there was more to their relationship than met the eye.
It will interest you to know that the victim was a secret lover to the pastor who eventually hacked her to death.
The alleged murderer confessed to the crime.
But I didn't know what really befell me and led me to this. I can't hold it within me. I am feeling somehow. I know how I'm feeling. I don't feel as a human being anymore. Because what I have done, within me, I'm really regretting.
Although how he became a pastor is yet to be determined, as many lay claim to the title without ordination. The suspect, who also allegedly doubles as a teacher of accounting and commerce at Methodist High School, Ewekoro, local government area, gave a little more detail of what was done to her body after killing her.
The calabash is big, and it was painted white. The hands also were put inside and they told me that they are going to burn it and share it among the occultic members.
The church building is pulled down and the suspects taken away by the police to be prosecuted.
Kẹ́rí àwọn boys àdúgbò ibi tó wájú sí ń bẹ nínú àwọn tó ń fọ́ kinní yẹn gan tó bá 100 sílẹ̀ nínú wọn ẹ máa rí pé 50 nínú wọn gan àwọn gan tún ní aburú lọ́wọ́ nínú ilé wọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ibi tó ti ń pọ̀ ayé gan ojú ayé ti pọ̀ jù àti pásítọ̀ àtàfà àti kíní kan òmìn tó yẹ kó sá ìyàwó kí ló dé ètò dédé tó jù ń bẹ ní àwọn ìjọba gógógógó òun ló ń kó iṣẹ́ fáwọn eléyìí torí ẹni tó jẹ́ mechanical engineer nsìn ẹni tó ní doctor degree tó níbi tó ti fẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ ẹni tó jẹ́ nurse tó níbi tó ti fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ẹni tó jẹ́ wípé secretary ni tó níbi tó ti fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ekun kébi ẹyẹ bọ ẹgbà tí ò sí báwo ẹ̀mí Sátánì ò ṣe ní wọ ara àti because òun gbogbo òun ṣe pastor tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ń lọ síbẹ̀ láti lọ fi ṣe business ni ó kàn fi bo ojú ni àwọn tó dẹ̀ wá pọ̀ nínú ìjọgan wọ́n ti fi nǹkan sílẹ̀ wọ́n ti tẹ̀ nǹkan wọlé tẹ́ bá ń bá wọn sọ bọ́n wò báyìí náà ní gbọ́ àyàfi ìgbà tí ẹlẹ́dàá wọn tó bá sọ wípé okay enough is enough àbá pariwo jù báyìí lọ ẹlòmíì gan lè torí ẹ̀gàn kó má wo program ẹ mọ́ aló ó ti lòdì sí Ọlọ́run òun wíwárà sí tú sílẹ̀ ní wípé níbi tá a bá dé yìí sẹ tó bá jẹ́ pé bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ Ọlọ́run àtorúkọ Jésù àtorúkọ Muhammed nílùú Nàìjíríà àwa ló yẹ ká lékè àwa ló yẹ ká wà ní number one very soon gbogbo ṣeré àlọ yẹn wọ́n ti mú wálẹ̀ ní Saudi Arabia. Ibi ẹ̀dẹ̀ làwa ti ń jì sẹ́mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà àti nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ń sìn ẹ̀rí bọ́n ṣe ń kóra wọn lọ orí ta lọ́lọ́run gan lè orí ta lọ́lọ́run lè bàjẹ́ kí ló ń lọ ṣe fún wọn náà ẹ bá rí bí wọ́n ṣe ń kóra wọn lọ sí station ń sìn àwọn àáfà tó àáfà ni o àáfà tó àáfà pásítọ̀ tó pásítọ̀ tó ń kóra wọn lọ sí station ń sìn láti headquarter láti Àbújá wọn ti ń fọlọ́pàá gbéra wọn ń sìn nǹkan tó ń mójútó nìyẹn tíjọba Tinubu tó máa fi tán ṣá nǹkan táwọn mójútó nìyẹn ìyà ń jẹ àwọn èèyàn kò sóúnjẹ ọmọ Yorùbá ń pa wọn kidnap wọn ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ àwọn àáfà ńláńlá tẹnu wọn gbọ̀rọ̀ lórí social media ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn náà ṣèpolówó fún àwọn ajẹgúdújẹrá ńkọ́ báwo náà ṣe fẹ́ rí jà yẹn jà wípé èyí tẹ́ ṣe yìí ò dá no because ọjọ́ tẹ́ mú bí ọjọ́ tó ń gbé yín lọ sí Àbújá ó máa bí yín ẹ̀yin lè sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ táwa lè yan Ọlọ́run ìyá mi àti bàbá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi wọ́n kí wa pátápátá pé àkóbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọ̀hún àníkọ̀sẹ̀lẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣáàrìtì ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ tí bá wa dá sí náà ẹ̀ bá wa dá sí bàjẹ́ 500 naira lóṣù ni ara ẹ̀ náà ni ara ọmọdéọmọ wa kò ní wípé bára ní agbára ní ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run mo kí wa wípé ẹ ṣé gan ni ẹ kú gbogbo gbàgbọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wa kọ́mẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wa share ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ nígbà ọkọ̀ tẹ́ máa kọ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì mo kí yín pé àkóbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí èmi náà ni ẹyẹ méjì òkè ń jẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Dr. Zabby Talk Show ayé ọpẹ́ yọ mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ fún èmi àti yín nínú ọdún tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ gbogbo ayọ̀ ìbùkún ìgbéga tá a kó wọ ní 2024 ìkọ̀kan ò ní sọnù mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ a tún máa kó wọ nú ọdún ní agbára ní ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí ẹ bá mi táìpù àmì àṣẹ ní agbára Elédùmarè síbẹ̀ mo kí wa wípé àkóbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí God bless ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí ẹ bá wa pín ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti bá mi pín ẹ bá mi fi kọ́mẹ́ǹtì ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ ní kọ́mẹ́ǹtì pé èmi ti pín o èmi ti send èmi ti share ti tèmi o Ọlọ́run á gbàdúrà wa ojú òní tiwa God bless you one love.
ẹnikẹ́ni tí ìwọ bá nípa láti ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún òun náà lẹ́nìkejì rẹ̀ tọ́jú rẹ̀.
Zabby Life Saver Foundation àánú lolówó fi rán wa la fi ń sọpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run àwọn ẹ̀dá tó ń jẹ́ aníparere láyé àwọn èèyàn tá a sì ti ń sọpẹ́ pàtàkì gbogbo olólùfẹ́ wa jákèjádò àgbáyé àwọn tó ń bá wa gbowó ṣètò ìrànwọ́ yìí lọ́nà kan àbí kejì lóòótọ́ ẹ̀yin gan lè jìká tí ò jẹ́ kó rí ó jábọ́ lórí ìkànnì Zabby Life Saver Foundation àkàìmọye ènìyàn lọ́lọ́run ti fọwọ́ tọ́ nípa pé ká mú lára bíntín tọ́lọ́run fún wa tá a fi ń ṣàánú àwọn èèyàn tó kù díẹ̀ fún láwùjọ wa láì fi tẹ̀sìn ẹ̀yà èdè àti àwọ̀ṣe rárá. sẹ́ẹ̀rì bọ́lọ́run ṣe ń lò wá lórí ìkànnì Zabby Life Saver Foundation táwọn fúnni níṣẹ́ gbalẹ̀ fúnni lóúnjẹ tá a ti ń sanwó iléèwé àwọn ọmọ tí ò lóbìí àti àwọn ọmọ tó kù díẹ̀ fóbi wọn láwùjọ lọ́pọ̀ ìmọ̀ iye ìgbà láti yọjú tá a ti gbóúnjẹ lọ fáwọn tó wà nínú ìhámọ́ táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní correctional center lọ́pọ̀ ìgbà tá a bá lọ sílé ìwòsàn fún àbẹ̀wò àti pé ká gba àwọn ènìyàn tí ò rówó san lẹ́yìn ètò ìwòsàn wọn àánú àṣewá púpọ̀ nítorí ohun mèremère ohun tá a máa ń bá pàdé lọ́hùn àti ọ̀gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn tó ti parí ètò ìwòsàn tí ò rówó san léyìí tágbára wa nìkan ò lè ká gẹ́gẹ́ bí èrò wa ní Zabby Life Saver Foundation àti bí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ṣe ń sọ wípé kọ́wọ́ jẹ́ ètò tí lọ síwájú sí i ló jẹ́ àmọ́ lógan fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin eléyìí ojú àánú jákèjádò àgbáyé wọ́n ràn wá àti jẹ́ kí ètò ìtúbọ̀ tàn síwájú sí i ẹ jájọ pawọ́pọ̀ lé ìṣẹ́ òun ìyà nínú bíntín tọ́lọ́run fún wa ẹ lè fi ohunkóhun tẹ́ ẹ bá ní sọwọ́ sí ọ́fíìsì wa nílé No. 6 Bremer Street Sabo Ṣàgámù Ògùn State tó bá sowó ni ẹ fi sínú àsùnwọ̀n Zabby Life Saver Foundation account níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ bá wà lágbàáyé account number 579-868-6013 FCMB fún ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé síwájú sí i lè pe èyíkéyìí àwọn aṣojú wa nílé +234-812-575-4492 tàbí kẹ́ pè +234-708-434-5696 bákan náà ní ẹ lè fàtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ tàbí kẹ́ pè Dr. Zabby gan lórí WhatsApp nọ́mbà wọn +447-440-715-542 ní Zabby Life Saver Foundation àánú ló jẹ wá lógún.